Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best coolers for camping that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're heading out for a weekend adventure or an extended camping trip, having the right cooler can make all the difference in keeping your food and drinks fresh and chilled. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Coleman Marine Cooler. This budget-friendly option is perfect for campers who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. With a fully insulated lid and body, it can keep ice for up to 3 days even in 90 Fahrenheit temperatures. Its high capacity can hold up to 80 cans, making it a solid choice for small groups or families. The swing-up handles are sturdy and practical for carrying, while the molded cup holders on the lid add convenience for outdoor settings. In terms of design, the Coleman Marine Cooler sports a durable build with UV guard coating to protect it from sun damage. The rust-resistant stainless steel hardware ensures longevity and makes it ideal for harsh outdoor conditions. Additionally, the odor-resistant liner treated with antimicrobials keeps odors, mold, and fungus at bay, which is a great feature for extended camping trips. While it performs well for the price, the Coleman Marine Cooler isn't as advanced as some premium models, offering shorter ice retention and lacking wheels for easier transport. However, for $54.99, it delivers reliability and functionality, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious campers or those planning short trips. Pros: affordable, lightweight, good ice retention for the price. Cons: no wheels, shorter ice retention compared to higher-end models. At number 4, we have the Coleman Classic Series Insulated Portable Cooler. This mid-tier option stands out with its ability to keep ice for up to 5 days, making it perfect for longer camping trips or hot summer weekends. With a capacity of 52 quarts, it can hold up to 80 cans. Its swing-up handles make it easy to carry, and the Have a Seat lid, which supports up to 250 pounds, adds practicality in outdoor environments. The design prioritizes durability with its stain-resistant liner and leak-proof construction for effortless cleanup and peace of mind. The recessed lip on the lid allows for easy access to the contents, while the molded-in cup holders keep your drinks secure during meal breaks. Plus, it's made in the USA, which adds a layer of trust in its quality. While the Coleman Classic Series delivers excellent ice retention and durability, it lacks wheels for transport, which might be a downside for users who need mobility. Ideal for budget-conscious campers who want a balance between performance and price, this cooler is also a strong contender for backyard gatherings. Pros: great ice retention, durable build, affordable. Cons: no wheels, heavier when fully loaded. Moving into number 3. We have the Coleman Xtreme 50 QT Rolling Cooler. This cooler uses Coleman's Xtreme technology to deliver extended ice retention for up to 5 days at temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. With a capacity of 84 cans, it's ideal for small to medium-sized groups. A standout feature here is its wheeled design, making it easy to transport across various terrains. The telescoping handle adds convenience for pulling, while the robust lid doubles as a seat, supporting up to 250 pounds. The Coleman Xtreme is built with extra-walled insulation, ensuring your drinks and food stay cold for longer durations. The leak-proof drain system allows for easy water removal without having to tilt the cooler, which is a major plus for campers. Its durable wheels and compact design make it perfect for road trips, tailgating, or camping. While this cooler excels in portability and ice retention, it has a slightly smaller capacity compared to other models on this list. It's best suited for users who value mobility and extended performance for short to medium camping trips. Pros: wheeled for easy transport, extended ice retention, durable lid. Cons: smaller capacity, slightly heavier when fully loaded. Coming in at number 2 is the Coleman Classic Series Insulated Portable Rolling Cooler. This premium offering from Coleman boasts a massive 100-quart capacity, holding up to 160 cans, great for large families or groups. It features heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and durable tow handles for easy transportation, an essential feature for campers who need to cover rough terrain. With ice retention of up to 5 days in 90 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures, this cooler is perfect for extended camping trips or outdoor events. The design includes molded cup holders on the lid, a leak-proof channel drain plug for easy cleanup, and stain-resistant liner for long-lasting use. Its recessed lip allows for easy access, and the have-a-seat lid supports up to 250 pounds for added versatility. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or picnicking, this cooler delivers convenience and reliability. Though it's larger and heavier than other options, the added wheels and tow handles make it manageable. It's an excellent choice for users who need high capacity and durability. Pros: high capacity, extended ice retention, wheeled for transport. Cons: heavier, bulkier. And finally, at number 1, we have the Igloo 110 Cute Glide Cooler, the ultimate premium camping cooler on our list. With a massive capacity of 110 quarts, it can hold up to 168 cans, making it perfect for large groups or extended trips. Its thick, ultra-therm foam insulation provides max cold 5-day performance, even in the hottest conditions. The horizontal telescoping handle requires 50% less lifting effort, making it one of the most ergonomic options available. The design incorporates UV inhibitors and infrared technology to protect against sun damage, ensuring longevity and durability. Soft ride wheels provide smooth transport, while the virtually indestructible stainless steel hinges add to its rugged build quality. The threaded drain plug allows for easy draining and even supports hose hookup for added convenience. Although it's the most expensive cooler on the list at $154.99, the combination of performance, capacity, and durability makes it worth every penny for serious campers or outdoor enthusiasts. Pros: massive capacity, superior ice retention, ergonomic design. Cons: higher price, larger footprint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.